How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best Dolby Atmos settings for gaming. Now, of course, you want to get your Dolby Atmos from the Microsoft Store itself. Just simply search Dolby Access in the Microsoft Store and you will be able to get their software. From there, you could just hit on Open. So it's going to be this menu right here, and then click on Products and then select the Dolby Atmos for headphones. From there, we can then apply the following setting. Basically, there's different presets in order for you to use the Dolby Atmos, something like game, movie, music, and voice. And then basically you just want to navigate through custom one so we can apply these changes. Make sure that the surround virtualizer is enabled, and then you want to apply this specific options right here. For the 32 Hz, you want to apply something like 11 decibel. For 64, you then want to use a 6 decibel, and then so on and so forth. You could just copy this preset right here, and basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.